Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you cycling enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick Release 4 bike carrier. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know why this is the best hitch bike rack on the market. So, what makes the Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick Release 4 bike carrier stand out from the crowd? Well, let's start with the basics. This bike rack is designed to fit 2-inch hitch receivers, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of vehicles. Whether you're driving an SUV, a car, or even a bicycle, this rack has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the features that set this rack apart. First off, it comes with a quick-install locking hitch insert, ensuring a secure and wobble-free fit. Plus, it even includes 2 keys for added security, so you can rest easy knowing your bikes are safe. One thing I absolutely love about this rack is its versatility. The arms on this rack can be folded out of the way when not in use, and the rack itself tilts back when needed. It accommodates a wide range of bicycle frame designs, so you can carry everything from mountain bikes to cruisers without a hitch. Now, you might be wondering about its load capacity. Well, this Allen Sports Deluxe 4 bike carrier can handle a whopping 140 pounds of weight, so you can load up your bikes without worrying about exceeding the limit. Quality matters, and this bike rack is built to last. It's constructed from alloy steel, ensuring durability and longevity, even with regular use. But wait, there's more. Allen Sports has a range of accessories to enhance your biking experience. You can even pair this bike rack with their crossbar for transport on step-through style bikes and Veralala versatile hook and loop securing straps for added convenience. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best hitch bike rack, the Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick Release 4 bike carrier should be at the top of your list. Its versatility, load capacity, and durability make it a fantastic choice for cyclists of all levels. That's a wrap for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this bike rack, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.